Hey guys, so thank you for coming. I'm Shugo. Okay, maybe let me introduce myself. So I'm a I'm a co-founder of Fi, and yeah, so I'm like 22 years old, and I'm from Japan, so it's my home country. Welcome to Japan. I hope you guys are enjoying like Tokyo, yeah. And yeah, so waking up early always gives me stomachache, so I don't want to wake up every morning. So yeah, actually, like I was working at venture capital in Japan for like 2 years, like yeah, when I was like in the like university student, and then like I moved to San Francisco, the 2021 August, and then like I just like dive into the crypto world, and like testing some small NFT project and also some media, and then like the last year January I started this project called Fi, with my co-founders. So yes. And then, right, actually, like before, like the talking about my project, I want to talk about the what's identity and also the how different the identity from the how we can redefine the identity in the Web3. So yes, actually, what's the identity itself? In the first place, it's the first question. So identity, like in my understanding, like I don't care about the definition on the dictionary, but like yeah, in my definition, so identity is like the how you view yourselves, and then like sometimes like people are mixing the reputation and also credentials into the identity. Of course, like the reputation and also credential is like part of your can be part of your identity, but like I think that's very different. So reputation is the how others view you. So it's different thing. And then like maybe these are like very typical like examples about thinking the reputation, like the national ID and the school degree and which college did you graduate, and also like exam score or something. Yeah, this is like in the real world, right? So I, actually these like reputation like can help you think about who I am, but like actually this is not yourself. And like yeah, I'm from the Japan, and Japan is like the of course like one of my identity, but like it's not myself. And I really like the American culture as well, and also I really like the Chinese food as well. So like my identity is very chaos, and also but like actually these like reputation and credentials is very helpful for thinking about your identity. So and then like what's the Web3 identity? Like and how different from the Web2 identity and also other real like real world identity. So I think like in the Web3, like your identity like nearly equal your wallet transactions history data. So this is pretty different like structure. Like in the Web2, like your data is stored on the Google's like data server, and also Facebook, and also like Twitter and GitHub. Like each company has your own like personal information, and also which is distributed. And if the company is like the like disappear, like your personal data is also disappear, like your history of the and your picture and the your writings like will go away. So like in the Web3, like every information and is like stored on blockchain. Like so that's why like I said that your identity is nearly equal to the nearly equal like your world transactions history data. So this like structure enable us to see the new way, more Web3 native way to represent identity. So like these are just like one of the examples. Like the yeah, we of course still using the Twitter stuff and GitHub, but like yeah, so the DGen score and also DeFi passport and also like Gitcoin passport. So yeah, a bunch of like new apps are trying to redefine the Web3 identity, right? So and then like what like actually like so that's why like the Web3 company and also other like the authorities in the real world are very struggling with the like transitioning their reputation and their authority into their own chain. So that's why like it's a huge opportunity for the like us, and also, I'm very young, so that's why like the young people or like other like people to create the new system, like to represent the identity. So And then like let me introduce my project like called Fireland.xyz. The link it disappeared. But yeah, so this is our application. Like we're trying to visualize the people's own identity in a more gamified way, like SimCity, like Animal Crossing. Like you can build your own city, and also like each round is like represent your own chain identity. Like what did you do in crypto, or what's your preference, and then also what's the community and what's the social graph on the webs on the blockchain. So like we have the two websites right now. So like, one is the FiQuest. Like this is FiConnect is the like the connector, like Firewords and with the other protocols. So like it's like a quest system like Rabbit Hole and Layer 3. So if you complete like the on-chain activity quest, like swapping or Uniswap, landing on Aave, you can get this object. And yeah, this object is designed by eBoy. Like he's like a co-founder of NansDAO, but like yeah, that's why like it's pretty cute. So yes, and also like the other one is a Fireland. So like that object you acquired through the FiQuest, you can like enjoying the SimCity like gamings in here. So you can populate your lands with the object you acquired on the quest, and then like each object can show you some traction, and also like the round represent your own identity. So like this is like the interesting point, and it's very different from other like the identity protocols. Like is that like people have to curate yourself. So like other like the social apps like Debunk, like they're just like the feed. That this is also helpful. Like what kind of transaction are you making? Like yesterday and today. So and the transaction that will be showed on the feed. So like actually there's not like the curation and the character. So like Fi enable you to show you to curate yourself, and it's like Instagram. So you're like the archiving some post and also only like posting like the good looking picture, something like that. So yeah, like you can emphasize your some part of your attractions, and also like you can like hide some like the attractions on your just like the database. So it's like the different point. And so that's why like I defined my product is like the Instagram or for Web3. Like of course like people don't need to show the picture, but like people still keep the pseudonymity. But like it's a new way to show yourself. So it's like it's NFT PFP stuff. So yeah. And also like a bunch of people are sharing the Fireland right now on the Twitter, and also other Lancer. Like it shares some tractions. Sorry for the cuttings, the middle part of the slide. But yeah, so we are currently like 20,000, like 50,000 like unique users. Yeah, it's like monthly active users, like, and then like the 50,000 plus rounds created, and so 2 million plus object claimed so far. So actually like it's the 4 months since we launched our product. I think it's a great traction. Like it's like the proving the our thesis. Like people want to represent yourself like with on-chain activities. So and then, like yeah, there are a bunch of partners, and that should be like put together. But like yeah, so it's cut it. I'm sorry. And but like yeah, so it's also one of our traction. Like the last month, actually in February, so we are the top first social protocol on Polygon. So yeah, so like Lens protocol, like Galaxy. So yeah, we are like actually maybe we are doing well. So yeah, and also we are backed by like the community, strong community, like Bankless guys, and also Gitcoin co-founder Scott, and also like the co-founder of like ETHGlobal, like Celtic, like they're really like supportive for our project, and these like the strong community enable us to connect with great protocols, and like which is connected to like provide the quality of the like our services to the users. Yep. And I want to show you the quickly the like touching quickly demo like with the touching the our project, our protocol. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yes, so this is the fight quest. So here is the so you can go to the quests list, and there are a bunch of quests, and you can check SBT. And actually, I claim the all object like the claimable. Yeah, but like Digen score and like the balancer, like Azuki, or like these are like we collaborate with a bunch of protocols. Like you can try that, and you can explore the quest, and like maybe you might want to try. You might will be there try to some other quest, and like so that's why like a bunch of people said to us like because of a fight, like they want to try to touch the like Abe or like the lens protocol or something like that, so, which is really great positive feedback on Web3 protocols. So so that's why like a fight is not just like working as the like identity layer. So which we're also working at like onboarding platform to Web3. So by using the social incentives, like people want to be more unique and people want to represent them more. So these like social incentives are very strong, and which is really appropriate for the onboarding purpose. And also this is a round. Oh my god, sorry. Yes, so you can create the round from the ES domain. So like here's my ENS Shugo Tsuji. So this round is belong to the Shugo Tsuji. And then like this is my round. So like there is a Uniswap like snapshot, and also of course like my Twitter and also Discord links, and other like snapshot. So like you can create your round so right now. So and if you have the ENS domain, so I think like it's a good opportunity to get the ENS and to do something to explore the Web3 world like through Safari. Yes. So okay, and they go back to the so actually that's all like from my side. Like Phi can grow like together with like the our crypto community, and then like the Phi are trying to Phi can contribute to the more onboarding the next million people into crypto space, like through some more like gaming social way. So yes, and actually like we're not just actually this round is like just one of the starting point. Like we're like currently developing the more avatar function, and also like music NFT integration stuff. Like so that's why like our concept is mainly like the utilizing on-chain activities in a more social and the gaming way, and which can incentivize people to the touching protocols. So yes, that's why like not like right now it's just like the like seeing the round right now, but like actually you will be able to jump into the round and also communicate with your friends, and also like so in more like becoming the interactive. So I think like and also maybe your avatar will also changing depends on the on-chain activities. So that's why like everything is connected to the blockchain data. So and then like you can play the like blockchain like with the Phi. So that's why like Phi is like the working as the playable, like I mean the playable layer of the like blockchain itself. So that's our like a concept and what we are trying to do. So like if you think about the like the Web2 like adoption, like they started from the Facebook and other like Twitter socials. So like without like monetary incentivizes, they're like the bunch of people are trying to show the connection and also social graphs on the internet, and which is create a strong internet culture. So like we have to do we want to do like same thing in the Web3 space. Like people will represent themselves on the blockchain and also playing their like the identity on the blockchain. So I think which can be connected to the next mass adoption of the Web3. So that's why like the identity and also mass adoption is very very connected. So we hope to actually Phi is just like one way to get more like mass adoption. But like, yeah, so we hope they keep like working on this project, and then like to diversify the way for you to represent the own identity, and then like also like playing the world of the Web3. So yeah, that's all from my side. So thank you for your listening. 20分くらい。It's a oh yes, yes. So yeah, maybe like, we have the two time. So yeah, like if you have any questions, so just let me know. Yep. So for like the Fi Quest, that's the most like the active part of the Fi. So like yeah, so actually like a Fi Quest is like not restricted to ENS holders. So that's why like anyone can start from the Fi Quest and then like they explore the protocols. So actually like the getting the ENS is like kind of like one of the quests for getting the round. So yeah, yes, that's right. Like the FileQuest unique wallet address, there is like a 72,000, and then like the FileRand is like yeah 50,000 like the rand. So yeah, like kind of that rate. So maybe like we can improve more. So yeah. Uh, you wanna see that? So could you, could you show them my PC? Yeah. So this is our dashboard. So here's the FileQuest unique user and the like Fi round unique user and the yeah, so number of finance, so and total object minted, so like that. So yes, so like so like could you elaborate on me a little bit more? So, you mean about data? The I mean you mean the how we can verify the yes sorry. Yes, like each round is like they belong to each ENS domain. So that's why like if you transfer the ENS, so round also transfer. So for yes. So yeah, actually, that's one of the reason like the we use the ENS for the like creating run. So like actually we are not strict to the like bright ID or uh like I mean the not like KYC stuff, right? So that's why like people doesn't need to be strict to the one identity. So like, maybe like I can have the Shugo Tsuji and also other maybe like I don't know like pixel artist dot user. So like any like the like identity we can have. So that's why like we use ENS. I think that's a really good like the level of the restriction about the identity. So yeah, you can keep the pseudonymity and also like you can have like multiple identity like with the ENS domain. So yeah, okay. Maybe like I can answer one more question. So if you have the yep.
go through it in the metaverse?
Yeah. So that's like the one by roadmap. So right now, so yeah, this year, yeah, this year. So yeah, so like kind of 5 avatar stuff. So yeah, we are contributing. Yes. So we're kind of using like off-chain verification, like the not like the fully on-chain like verification, like the market tree. So uh, we are like just using the AWS backend, and then but like actually we're reading the users' own chat-feed data from the various like API stuff, like and including like subgraphs. So that's why like if you like for example the like holding some ETH request, like we are using the EtherScan API currently, and then like the if the address is the meets the requirements, we issue the coupon on our AWS backend, and then like people will be able to claim the object. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So some protocol are providing like API stuff, but like some protocol not, right? So that's why like maybe we're developing the case by case. So our backend. So yes. Yeah. Actually, that's the actually like the we can use the like Shismo, like they're using the market tree for the verifying the activities. Like that could not be dynamic. So because we have to update the time. So that's why like we have to like deploy the market tree like every time you want to update the status. So that's why like we are more focusing on like real time experience. So that's why we are currently using like more off chain solution about it. So yes. Yeah.
But user generated quests and art. So I know.
Yeah. Yeah. So yes, actually like we are currently thinking to separate 2 layers, like like yeah, actually first layer is like the it's like the existing file quest. Like we're very curating the protocols like to provide the best onboarding experience to users right now. But like it's like it'll be like centralized and like not like the Web3, right? So that's why like we're gonna prepare like one more layer. Actually, it's still discussing right now. But like yeah, so not disgusting, yeah. Uh, like yeah, we're gonna prepare like one more like layer for the to accept more and more protocols, more and more projects identify. So maybe which is more pretty like a casual, like maybe badges or uh something like that. So and then people can easily to create the object or badges. And then like they can do the campaign like by themselves. So which is more like the very casual layer. It's like more Galaxy. It's more like pop stuff. But like maybe that isn't the need part for the more getting the users onto Fi. So yeah, yeah. Okay. I think last minute. So yeah. So thank you for the listening my presentation. So my English is still terrible, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.